Once you get your equipment, you'll see a quick reference guide inside the top lid of that. It will look like this. They all have the same format, so you can see very easily how it works and different instructional materials. When you get your equipment, we ask that you complete a mandatory inventory check. This makes sure that you have everything that you need. It's all set up and ready to go for when you're using it with your students. It also lets us know if anything is broken per the agreement that you have checked off when you create a reservation, and it gives us information about what we need to do to get it back up and running or how we can help so that it's ready for you and your students. There are two ways to get to that inventory check. When you get to the quick reference guide for your task, you can just click over here where it says mandatory inventory check, and it'll open up that form. The other option is you can go back to the beginning, and on the first page, this line right here will take you to the same form. In the form, it has the IMS Equipment User Agreement, and you can read through that again if you'd like. You're going to put your name in here, contact information if you'd like us to get a hold of you, and then the item that you received. We ask that you do this for each individual item that you get if you get multiple in one delivery, so that we have information about each one. So since I had just done a reservation for transfer, I'm going to select that and go to next. It'll take me to the transfer section, and it'll tell me all of the things that should be in that kit. Please only check off the items that are missing from that kit. That will then populate on our side, and we'll be able to see really quickly what's missing so we know how to get it to you quickly. For transfer specifically, there are 6 kits, so we ask which kit you have, and you can check that off. And all of them have a section for additional comments and questions. When you've finished checking your equipment, just hit submit, and it'll come right to us.